ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହାଇ ନମସ୍ତେ ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ ଜଣାଉଛି ମୋର ମୋହିନୀ ଜେନା ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ପିଓ ଓଡ଼ିଶା HOE ଅଫିସର 2023। ଆମେ ପୂର୍ବ ଅଧ୍ୟାୟରେ ପଢ଼ିଥିଲେ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲିଜମ୍ 1857 to 1950। ଆଜି ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍। First one, the revolt of 1857 first began at Meerut. Nana Sahib was in charge of the revolt of 1857 at Kanpur. Nana Sahib কোথায় হলে না কানপুর। কানপুরে হলে তান্তিয়াত অফে নানা সাহেব তান্তিয়াত অফে আজিমুল্লাহ খান। Then আসলা in Bihar, the revolt of 1857 was led by which of the following rebels? Unwara Singh. Nana Sahib was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II, who provided the spark to the revolution of 1857. Mangal Pandey. Main important question, Mangal Pandey. Before the revolt of 1857 broke out from hand to hand in the army, what did it signify? It signified the readiness of the Indian soldiers to join the revolt. Then what happened to Tantiat Tope after the substitution of the revolt of 1857? He was betrayed by Olive, captured and hanged. Then the state which supported the revolt of 1857 was none of these. Who was Mangal Pandey? Mangal Pandey is the Brahmin soldier of the Omni posted Dum West Bengal Geography. Mark the one who was not a leader in the revolt of 1857. Unwara Singh hile ওহে বিহার, বাহাদুর শাহ টু দিল্লী, নানা সাহেব কানপুর, মানসিং লখলে। Mangal Pandey belonged to 34th NI. Which place was not an important center of revolt 1857? Agra. Delhi hile Bahadur Shah II, Kanpur hile Nana Sahib, Jalliwala Rani Lakshmibai. Which state was associated with the revolt of 1857? Satra. What was the slogan of this point in the revolt of 1857? Maro Firingi O. Maro Firingi O. Rani Lakshmibai did fight against the British. She was in charge of Jalliwala. Who was proclaimed as the Nawab of Oudh by Begum Hajrat Mahal? Ahmadullah. Ahmadullah. Then during the revolt of 1857, who was stationed at Balli? Hal Bahadur Khan. Which of the following was the center of the revolt of 1857? All of the above. Kanpur Ihla, Patna Ihla, Faridabad Ihla. Who was the initiator of Delhi? Bahadur Shah II. Which historian says the revolt of 1857 was Hikmat Muntin? P. Robert. Which historian defined the revolt of 1857 was neither Hikmat Muntin nor national or first war of Indian independence? R.C. Majumdar. What happened to Nana Sahib after a revolt? He fled away to Nepal. Nepal Who held the revolt of 1857 was the landlord of national independence? B.D. Savarkar. What was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? Introduction of Enfield rifle. Which one is the cause of failure of the revolt? Lack of leadership, lack of organization, and lack of planning. All of the above. चलो ना आज हमें वीडियो ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନେ ମୋ ସହିତ ଯୋଡ଼ି ହୋଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ରହୁଛି ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। ଲଭ୍ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍।